I am here with Jamie McHarg, who is the builder of this fantastic replica shunt. Oh, with its lovely axe. So, Jamie, what does it take to build a replica shunt?
A lot of time and patience, first of all. A lot of research work as well. I lost count of the number of times I watched like the House Robot DVD that had pictures of the inside and episodes of Robot Wars where Shunt would maybe get flipped over so I could work out what was on the underside of it. With Shunt, the benefit was I had the fiberglass mould from the originals it made, so that gave me the kind of dimensions of what the kind of basic chassis should be. And then from there I just had to look at pictures and videos and try and determine which was the best shape to make to get it looking like shunts basically. And 2 or 3 bits have been made twice because the first one was okay, but then I had to wanted to improve it. And then eventually just I guess to the point where it's complete. So yeah, a lot of time and effort, a bit of money as well required, but if you've got a passion for it then it's not too much trouble.
Is it like 100% true to the original shunt, or did you make any sort of design compromises?
There's a couple of compromises on the inside, in that the original House Robots would have ran on sealed lead acid batteries, which were very heavy, but they were large capacity, so when obviously the original was running on the show, you'd have to keep on running fight after fight. Whereas I am only doing demos with mine and I wanted it to be quite light to take to events. So I ditched those in favour of lithium polymer battery packs now, which are a lot lighter. Upgraded it to 2.4 GHz radio control, so there's no interference, and also running a more modern speed controller as well, so it doesn't cut out or anything. Just because it's a bit of newer tech, so mostly it's as accurate as it can be. There's a couple of small detailing bits on it, but yeah, apart from that, it's all good. All pretty much kind of.
Dare I ask how much it cost?
I didn't keep an accurate track during the shunt build. I estimated around about maybe £2,000–2,500.
Ooh.
Dead metal was 2,600. I kept a note of
Is
that.
this a replica as well?
It's a replica as well, yeah.
Okay, we're going to come around and see dead metal as well.
So again, full-size replica.
What goes on in here?
So we've got it's got obviously the saw, petrol engine for the saw, which is the main weapon. It's on a 4-bar linkage, so this whole assembly moves back and moves forward as well, it's not too tight. There's a lot of stuff at Dead Metal that happens in the back, all the controls and battery and everything are down there. Again, the original version would have had sealed lead acid batteries in it, so I've changed that out for lighter stuff. It still weighs 142 kilos, but it comes apart in about 6 or 7 parts, so it's a lot easier to transport like that. But yeah, this was a 2,600 I think for this one, and then slightly less for Shunt I think.
If Robot Wars was to magically come back again, do you think these would be worthy of competing as legitimate house robots, or?
Well, recently there was a video came out today actually of Shunt and Neon in a House Robot Rebellion, and Shunt got quite smashed up by Neon, which is a featherweight, so like 4 times lighter, something like that.
All right, yeah.
So they wouldn't fare too well, but I think they maybe go on display for a nostalgia factor or something. But yeah, not necessarily like legitimate competitors or house robots. Yeah.
Right. Did you enjoy building them? That's the main thing.
Oh yes. It's a strangely addictive process, which is why I built Dead Metal after I built Shunt, because I finished Shunt and then I was like, a bit bored now, what to do? And it was the middle of lockdown as well, so I was like, may as well build another one.
So you take them to demos, stuff like that?
Yep.
Such as Robonerd, of course.
Robonerd, sometimes Comic Cons, closer to home as well. If there's any like Maker Faire events, we'll take them to those as well. But just anywhere to kind of show them off really.
Awesome. Great. Thanks, Jamie.
No worries at all.